Howdy folks, Daniel Rubino here at Windows Phone Central, and check it out, it is the Nokia stand-up wireless charger, aka DT-910. It goes for about 69 bucks. You can sometimes find it at AT&T, although mine is on forever back order, like all things Nokia these days. So I got mine up at eBay for 60 bucks actually, so it's actually kind of worth it. Although now I have to go through and cancel AT&T, which probably isn't worth it. Anyways, it's a nice device. Obviously, it's a little different from the wireless charge pad, which I have here, and hopefully many of you got this for free, although from what we understand, that too is on back order. So what's the difference? Why get this thing over that, or in addition to? Well, besides the fact it's got a different form factor, it also has NFC built into it. Let me pull it out of the box here. And it is a sharp looking device, very glossy. In fact, a little bit more glossy than the charging pad. And it's definitely handsome and elegant. Now, if you're wondering, this does not adjust. It is completely fixed. Does not spin around, doesn't do anything. So locked in position there. You can, however, recycle your plugs. Of course, it comes with its own AC adapter, but I'm not going to take it out of the box. And there you go. And you place your phone there. And now it is charging perfect. It does have two little grooves down there which hold it in at the bottom. So it is pretty sturdy, although of course it could tip over. Being a Nokia, you probably should worry more about your desk than the phone. First question some of you guys may have, does it go vertically? Or horizontally rather. The answer, yes, it actually holds and locks in there, but you haven't heard that ding yet for power charging, and that's because it doesn't. So that is kind of a downside. Why would you want to do this? Well, I suppose some of you at work, instead of working, would rather watch Netflix or perhaps by your bed, would rather put on a movie or a video, and so you'd want to charge the phone while doing that. Perfectly reasonable request, I would think. Unfortunately, you won't be able to do it. So this phone only will charge in that position, or I suppose I could probably put it upside down. But now the other cool thing though about this is right here it has NFC built in. Don't believe me? Here we go. So what it does now is going to launch an app, and in my case it's launching my favorite alarm app, 6:27 a.m., which also gives you the weather. As you can see though, it takes a little while. But there it goes. So there is a little bit of a delay. So how that works is the first time you pair it up, it actually brings you to a new menu, which I might be able to even still have here. Maybe not. Yeah, so I'll just go through and show you how it works. So under Nokia here, you have your accessories. And it's going to ask you to pair it, basically. You pick an application you want. Now, there are some limitations here. You can't use native apps. It's only third-party things. So we'll go to charging stand. And it is a little slow. In fact, I probably won't be able to show you how this completely works. What it's doing right now, it's going through all my apps, of which, of course, I have a ton. And it's going to eventually enumerate those and then give me that list. And I can just go through and pick what I want. But you probably don't want to change this very often. I mean, this will literally take 2-3 minutes to go through and parse. It is slow, but once you pick your app, you can see you're kind of set. If we scroll over, you have general, like give feedback and help, which isn't too much, but that's how that whole thing works. And so you can pick your favorite app you want, maybe a weather program, maybe a music player, maybe your alarm app, whatever you want, and you can use that. Is it much faster than just, I don't know, tapping the button on the screen? You know, it's okay. It's kind of neat though. You're still tapping a button when you hit OK, as you saw before. So I can't say it's the fastest method in the world, but it is kind of neat. I suppose, yeah, see, I still gotta tap something. But it's not a bad idea, although it's kind of novelty. But I imagine some of you guys may be able to come up with something really unique that would make this extremely useful. So that is your quick review here of the wireless charging stand. I actually happen to really like it. It's really handsome. You get a little light here showing you that it is in fact charging. The phone looks great on it. It's good quality material, and you get that benefit of the wireless charging and NFC built into it. Whether it's worth the $60 to $70 for you is going to be up to you, but you know, you're getting a good piece of hardware here. So there you go. If you have questions, just head to Windows Phone Central and we'll try to answer them for you. But there you go. Take care. Bye.